Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get 100% free the worth of $399 penetration testing certification 2025. This is the Hackviser and cybersecurity course and this is for the limited time offer. So Hackviser is the offering the certified associate penetration tester CAPT cybersecurity certification absolutely free for a limited time. Don't miss the exclusive opportunity. Watch the step-by-step video guides to learn how to claim your certificate. So this is the registration link. So I'm going to open this registration link in any browser you can use. So CAPT Certified Associate Penetration Tester. This is a you can able to see there $399 and now free is for the limited time. Okay. Your certificate will be looks like this. Okay. Certified Associate Penetration Tester and your name and the successfully completed CAPT certified by the other thing. So get your CAPT certificate and view curriculum. So I'm going for view curriculum. So CAPT curriculum is that introduction and there is a multiple modules are there divided into 9 parts and inside the every topic title there is a one module or some modules are there is a three. So just like an introduction to cybersecurity, if you click this you can go through this thing step by step process. Here, what is the CAPT certification? So CAPT, the Certified Associate Penetration Tester, is an entry-level cybersecurity certification designed for the newcomers to the field. So it validates your skills on the ethical hacking, network security, and penetration testing through the hands-on practical exercise. So you have to go through that all the module you have to complete. And what does the certificate program works? You can detail is there. If this certificate is free for obtain, the certificate is offering free of charge for a limited time. Just remember that this is for the limited time. During this period, you can access the core content and enroll the program without cost. So some advanced content are available through the paid membership. And in future, there is a plan to introduce an additional fee to certificate registration and assurance. So go through that and other success rate. So our certificate has the 92 success rate among the student who has completed all the requirement content. There is a limited to complete the certification. No, you can complete the certification in our own place. We understand that everyone is the different learning speed and commitments. What happened is well, you can retry the certificate process as many times as needed. We provide the detailed feedback to you, help you improve and succeed. So this is the not a limited time, you can give many times. So after we receive your application, the team will review it and within 1 to 3 business day introduce the, so it will give you the approval on the 1 to 3 business day ready to start your journey. So get your certificate there and you can click here also. So when you click on the get your certificate, you'll get this page. This is a login page. You already registered, then you can go through the login page. Otherwise, you can go with the create an account. So put your name. So email address and password. Accept and click on sign up. So now we can log in. So I'm logged in now. So certification progress is 0%. Overall, you have to complete all the modules and all the things. Then it will be 100%. and apply the certificate. So complete all the requirement content to unlock your certificate request. Success rate is 92%, duration is 1 month, and price is $399, but now it is free. Okay. So here is the all the skill you have to learn. So these are the skills. Prerequisite sites are there. No prior cybersecurity experience required. Designed for the beginners. Okay. So certification process, complete requirement content, and submit certification request. Expert review and approval is there. So step by step process is there. There is a mission. Complete the mission to complete the cybersecurity training. 2 points, 1 point, and there is some points are there. You have to complete all the things. So in this video we have learned how to get 100% free the $399 penetration testing certification 2025. This is provided by the Hackviser, and there is a step-by-step process I have shown to you in this video. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process shown in the video. Please subscribe for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.